Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2024 Forest River Impression 242 RD. And I want to get inside. It's got a very nice floor plan. Just a couple things I want to show you on the outside. So we have pass-through storage here, and also your docking station is on the other side. Your solar and your power shut off. We have two outdoor speakers, tandem axle. I want to swing around to the back and just show you, this has a tow package. So we have a 2-inch receiver and 3,000 pound tow rating, 300 pound hitch. So some of you, that may be very important, very nice. There's the 242 RD badging. So let's step up inside. A couple of neat things to show you inside. So we have a U-shaped dining area, which is very nice. Cabinets above, and I really like this skylight. It's not a very sunny day today, but that really splashes a large amount of light in. Sleeping and couch area. Nice flat screen TV, as well as planing station, microwave oven. You have a wine rack here, 3-burner cooktop, farmer's sink. This is kind of neat. So nice storage area, and it's tall enough so you can put boxes of cereal, Bisquick, that kind of stuff, pancake mix. And then down below, it's storage. Let me go ahead and hit my light so you see a little bit better. So additional storage there. Naturally, you have your freezer and refrigerator. Here's your power station. I want to show you some other goodies as we go up the steps right into the bathroom. And again, another skylight as well as exhaust fan, so plenty of natural light splashing in. Nice width on the shower stall, commode. And let's step into the master bedroom and check this out. You have a power bed that allows you to, if you have a TV here, here's your TV hookup and your control. So this is really neat. You can manipulate the bed with a power switch to sit up, whether you want to read or watch TV. You have cabinets on both left and right. You have counter space if you have a CPAP or want to plug something in. You also have drawers, and then you have a basket. Let me just show you below. You have a basket as well, and that's mirrored on the other side. Then we have a closet, and it's pre-wired. Well, that's a motion sensor light, and then it's pre-wired and pre-plumbed for a stackable washer and dryer, or you can leave it in the configuration that it is here and use it for hang-up clothes, which is very convenient. So for your weekend warrior, you don't really need a washer and dryer. You can use that for your hang-up clothes. And if you camp longer, then there you go. I want to stop here at the top of the steps just to show you the gathering area, the kitchen. Very nice amount of space. Again, Forest River 2024 Impression 242 RD. Thanks again for watching. Really appreciate the support. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again.